Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. I will have already showed the Earth Breeze mail call that I got. I will be doing a video on actually showing you the laundry detergent sheets that they sent us. Or sent me. Kaber's not going to do laundry. She's right there. And she never does laundry. She makes laundry sometimes, but never washes the laundry. Anyways, just a little funny. Here we go. I thanked them for the two that they had sent me, which was the fragrance free. And they originally said that they were going to send me one fragrance free and one fresh scent so I could try both of them and tell you guys how I like them and, stuff like that. But they sent me two, and so I thank them for sending me two of the fragrance free. Oh, I guess Caber's done with this, seeing that it's not food. So anyways, they said, oh my gosh, there was a mistake and you should have gotten the fresh scent as well. And I said, well, that's okay. I'm cool with it. So they sent me out the fresh scent and another fragrance free. And they said to take the one from the first package and one from here and donate it to a shelter. So I will be doing just that. I will be doing it to the women's shelter is the closest shelter to me, and I know that they are the domestic violence shelter. They are always in need of laundry detergent. So that's what I will do. And I will explain to them how to use it, even though it has directions on the back, though. So anyways, that's what I'm going to be doing. This is just a video to show you what the fresh scent looks like. And I literally just got it out of the mail. So there will be a future video on showing you how to use the sheets and what I think of them. All right, everybody, have a great day. May God bless you to overflowing, and may He keep each and every one of you safe. Bye for now.